Go. That's not your toy, Puddy. Sorry, Kramer. I've never seen her carry anything this long. Puddy, whose is that? I've never seen her carry anything like this long. Seriously.
Come on, Kramer, let's go.
Oh my goodness.
Good morning.
Good morning. Puddy, that is not yours. Oh my goodness. Like seriously, she's never carried anything like this. Is it a beanie baby?
That one isn't. That's a doggy. You just grabbed anyone from the yard.
That is not your toy, Puddy. Well, I guess she's gonna carry it around. That is weird. This is something new. Does Kramer carry it a lot? Like,
no, he just likes to play it and he likes to do that. I got your toy.
I can't believe this. Like, what did you do to our dog? That's what it is. Maybe she has like a little, can't believe this. She's listening to the noises. I'm not letting this baby go. Well, at least she's a good mom. Kramer doesn't even care. I got plenty of babies. That was nothing special. Yeah. Hey, Puddy, let's go this way. Take your baby under their fence. Oh my goodness. I guess we gotta get her a toy like that. Since she likes it so much. Are you done with the baby? Oh, that's really nice. Just leave the baby. Just leave it right there.
Your child.
Kramer.
You left your child.
Here comes Cooper. Here comes Cooper. Go, Cooper, go. I know. Go, Cooper, go. Cooper. How are you doing today, Cooper? Buddy, leave Cooper alone. Good boy. Good boy. Cooper, you're a good boy.